of learning French, a language that opens doors to a world of opportunities. French isn't just a beautiful language, it is one of the most influential and widely spoken in the world. With over 300 million French speakers on every continent, learning French means being able to communicate with people in over 50 countries. Learning French opens us up to the rich and diverse culture of the Francophonie, from French cuisine to the enchanting rhythms of the French-speaking African music.
Dans le monde globaliste d'aujourd'hui, le bellicisme est une compétence essentielle. Par la France peut améliorer nos perspectives professionnelles, que ce soit en diplomatie, en commerce international, en tourisme ou en technologie. Les entreprises environnement multiculturel, savoir le français, c'est avoir un atout majeur. In today's globalized world, bilingualism is an essential skill. Speaking French can enhance our career prospects, whether in diplomacy, international trade, tourism, or technology. Companies are increasingly looking for employees who can operate in a multicultural environment. Knowledge of French is a major asset.
Un autre, le français est la langue de la culture et des arts. Il nous donne accès aux chefs d'œuvre de la littérature, de la philosophie et du cinéma. Lire des œuvres de Victor Hugo, écouter des chansons d'Edith Piaf ou regarder des films de François Truffaut dans les langues originales est une expérience incomparable. Enfin, apprendre le français enrichit notre esprit. Cela nous aide à développer notre compréhension du monde et à apprécier la beauté de la diversité linguistique et culturelle. French is also the language of culture and art. It gives us access to the masterpieces of literature, philosophy, and cinema. Reading the books of Victor Hugo, listening to the songs of Edith Piaf, or watching films of François Truffaut in their language is an incomparable experience. Finally, learning French enriches our minds. It helps us to develop our understanding of the world and to appreciate the beauty of linguistic and cultural diversity. Merci.
Abuzz with chatter. It's French class, and the captains of the class try to maintain the class.
Alright everyone, quiet down. The teacher is about to enter the classroom any moment now.
Everybody please settle down. Let's stay focused and ready.
The classroom remains silent. As soon as the captains of the class speak, Madame Dupont walks in. She taps the table to get everyone's attention.
Bonjour mes élèves, aujourd'hui nous allons découvrir pourquoi le français est si important.
Why do we even need to learn French? We speak English everywhere we go.
Amenez-vous very my dear. Let's play a little game. Each of you will pretend to be in a different country and let's see what happens if you don't know French. Farha, you go first.
Okay, I'll go first. I'm in Paris for a business meeting. Bonjour, I need to finalize a contract.
Très bien. Now imagine your business partner only speaks French. Jester, go ahead. Farha, impress us with your French skills.
Bonjour, pourquoi êtes-vous ici? Quel est l'objectif du projet que vous venez présenter?
Bonjour. Contract, oui.
Pas mal, but they're speaking rapid French and you're confused.
The student flusters and sits down.
Voila, a business opportunity missed because of no French.
A student stands up and showcases her method of management.
That's no big deal. I'll just Google translate through France.
A common idea, but what if you're lost in the countryside and your phone runs out of battery?
Excuse me, where's the Eiffel Tower?
Pardon, je ne comprends pas l'anglais.
The class laughs as the girl gets embarrassed.
Now you see, French isn't just about the language, it's about connecting with people, exploring culture and seizing opportunities.
I'm an artist. I don't need French.
But imagine if you're invited to an art exhibition in France or Belgium. You can't talk about work, negotiate sales or communicate with other artists. Look man, come over here and showcase your art towards the class.
Wonderful piece. It looks very nice, I guess.
Combien coûte cette peinture?
Peinture. Jolie.
The class giggles again.
Exactly, whether for business, travel or art, French opens doors to worlds you wouldn't. Have a thought of it. It's the second most studied language in the whole world. Farha, what do you think about French?
I realize that learning French opens up opportunities to connect with people from different culture and can be useful for global travel and business purposes.
Very good. Learning French unlocks many opportunities. It's a globally relevant language and used in international diplomacy. There are numerous compelling reasons to learn French, such as unlocking many opportunities in business as well as academical side. Start your journey from learning French and open doors to a world of opportunities. Thank you.
C'était une prestation magnifique. Je donne maintenant la place aux talentueuses filles de la classe 7 qui présenteront une danse ravissante pour nous.
Lettre de lui-même. Bonjour, Madame la Principale, Monsieur le Vice-Principal, Dames et Messieurs les coordinateurs, mes chers collègues et mes chers élèves, bonjour. Pour commencer, je remercie la Principale, le Vice-Principal et les coordinateurs qui nous ont permis de présenter ce programme. Ensuite, je remercie vraiment le courage et la persévérance de mes collègues, notamment Madame Reyana, M. Moutari et M. Djadou, qui nous ont aidés à réaliser ce programme. Bien sûr, sans oublier nos chers élèves du département de français. Ils ont fait un travail très remarquable, bien qu'il y a multiples défis et contraintes. Vraiment, je suis fier de vous. I am proud of you, dear students. Thank you.